Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find the poster pieces in 3-corner investigation mission in LEGO Batman Dark Knight. So basically what you'll need to do is just go right here, find the poster right here and collect it. After that you'll need to use your grappler so it will be faster, and just go right here. Okay, so the next poster piece is right here on top of the silo, or how we can call that.
Another piece of the wanted poster. If we find one more, we should be able to identify the suspect.
And now we need to go to the top of the crane right here. So let's do that by using the grappler. And now you'll need to jump down from the crane and you'll find the poster right here. So just collect this poster and now just go to talk to Reen again. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.